Whew, wintertime and I'm still hot in here. Hope you guys enjoyed that song. I know I did not celebrate my 1 year anniversary on YouTube, like, because I was gone for 5 months. And, just to tell you guys in person, I was burned out, and I needed that time off to come back a little bit strong. And, yeah, I'm glad for those 3 subscribers I have there. Shout out to you guys for kind of staying subscribed to me, and to those who've been viewing my videos, I thank you very much, because music has been a pretty passion of mine ever since I was 15, and now I'm 23. Just yeah, just another thank you to all of you guys that, like, thank you for your patience for waiting for those 5 months. I know I haven't been doing updates on my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook page, which the link will be in the description below where you could reach that. It's where I'll post, like, the video links where you could reach me on YouTube, and also some other things that will be updated for, like, future videos if I have to skip one, or if there's a special video, because I'm wanting to do a special video at some point, but for right now, because I'm still learning how to edit videos, I'm not too keen on wanting to give that a try just yet. So, going to be continuing my acoustic works. Hopefully you guys enjoy them. And, yeah, until we meet again, be safe, be awesome, be inspiring. Deuces. Adios.